The music just turns me on.
Get ready for this one! And Scruples together with Gemini Production and Associates bring you Blockomania! Blockomania! The 15th annual Free Drinks Blocko! With live performances, performing live, Groovy Soca Monarch, Cast the Band.
And I feel like I just spent $1 million.
Along with
I come in for Carnival,
the Soca Monarch and Road March King 2011, Muscle Montano, and the HD Family, Revy B, and Karma. That's Blockomania. Friday, October 7th, Miami Carnival Weekend at Vero's by the Bay, formerly the Bayside Hut, the new and improved venue at 3501 Rickenbacker Causeway, Key Biscayne. Party from 9 p.m. until the biggest free drinks bar with no waiting, food on sale. This is the only event that you will see Muscle Montano and HD Family, Catch the Band, and Karma all together for one night. Friday, October 7th, Carnival Weekend at the new and improved venue, Vero's by the Bay, formerly the Bayside Hut, Key Biscayne. Advance tickets are only $60 before September 15th, $70 after, and more at the door. Tickets available now at all Caribbean outlets or online at ticketgateway.com. For info, call 305-987-9792 or 954-793-8588. This is Vet and More Fest.
you could get charged.
We're shutting down the town.